honestly, I would attest that I probably had one of the worst GRE scores in the history of application.
I don't know.
I swear, dude, it was bad. So, and I was like, I should probably buckle down and do some studying. So I signed up for the Sherpa Prep course, and it changed the trajectory of everything. Ended up applying to 7 schools. I ended up getting into all 7. And I mean, Harvard was the goal. I never thought I would actually get into HBS, to be totally honest. I mean, I have like a cool resume, like buzzwords and everything, but like my GPA wasn't the best GPA. I didn't have a 4.0 at West Point. There's such impressive people at HBS that like I just didn't really think that my resume held up to some of those guys. So my hopes were on HBS. But I also had like this like running thing in the back of my mind, like, Lindsay, do not get your hopes up because it's probably not going to happen. But I think really what ended up doing it was possibly my GRE score from Sherpa Prep, to kind of like push me over the edge a little bit there. Yeah, got into HBS, and wouldn't trade it for the world. I absolutely love going to school there. It's incredible.